Today, I'm cooking sambal tofu. It may be a complex recipe, but it is so worth it. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams or 5 blocks of firm tofu, 65 grams of palm sugar. This can be substituted with 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 85 grams of chili paste. The links to the recipe is in the description. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp, half tablespoon of belacan or shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. These are the ingredients for the sambal to be blended. 5 pieces of red chilli, 3 stalks of lemongrass, 120 grams of shallots, 35 grams of garlic, 10 grams of turmeric, 3 pieces of candlenut, 35 grams of galangal. This is young galangal. Use half of this amount if old galangal is used. 6 pieces of kaffir leaves, 100 ml of diluted tamarind water. If use concentrated tamarind water, use only 50 ml. And 300 ml of water. First, soak the dry prawns. Put all of it in the bigger bowl. Add about half a cup of hot water. Give it a stir and leave it to soak for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, discard the hot water and rinse it once more. Leave it aside. Next, cut the herbs before blending them. Cut the ingredients that are big or very fibrous, like lemongrass. Slice 1 lemongrass to blend. Cut the other 2 into half and crush them for maximum fragrance. Next, cut the galangal. If the shallots are too big, cut them into smaller pieces. Cut the chili into the smallest pieces as well. Remove the skin of the turmeric. Please be careful with the turmeric as it can stain the hands and utensils. Alright, these are the ingredients that we have cut to be blended. This is the palm sugar. It is quite hard and big. Remove the wrap and chop it into smaller pieces. Leave it aside. Next, cut the tofu into 9 pieces of each block. Alright, tofu is ready. Set it aside. Next, blend these ingredients to get the sambal. Dry shrimp, belacan, and all of the chili paste. Add in 150 ml of water and blend it until very fine, like this. Now we can cook it. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. Put in all of the blended sambal. Add in the curry powder and all of the palm sugar. Give it a stir. The sambal tends to splash a lot when it gets in contact with the hot oil. Continuously to stir the sambal until it is cooked to reduce the splashing. This will take around 10 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add in the kaffir leaves and continue to stir. Add in the crushed lemongrass and continue to cook for additional fragrance. After 7 minutes, sambal is getting dry. Add in the tamarind water. Continue to stir for 3 more minutes. After 10 minutes, sambal is cooked. Add in all tofu. Put in all of the fish sauce. Put in all of the salt. Keep stirring until tofu is coated with sambal. Add in 100 ml of water. Give it a mix. Looks like it is quite dry. I am adding in 50 ml of water. Stir and cover the pot. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue to simmer the tofu for 5 more minutes. Stir the tofu once in a while to prevent sambal from getting burnt at the bottom of the pan. After 5 minutes, the tofu is cooked and the sambal looks so yummy. Can you see? Now I can give it a taste. Delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already delicious. Switch off the heat and serve. Let's eat! Wow, so good! Sambal is delicious and very fragrant. Not too spicy. The tofu is cooked perfectly and has absorbed the delicious sambal. It goes so well with white rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!